excited about tonight and to be here in Vegas to present the My Face, My Body Awards.
We have got brands, products and individuals that have entered the My Face, My Body Awards, and we'll be awarding them this evening. So excited.
Can't wait.
Welcome everyone to the My Face, My Body Awards 2019. I'm Stephen Hattyside, your host for this evening.
And I'm Shirley Coleman, co-hosting from one of the entertainment capitals of the world, Las Vegas.
And we are super excited to be presenting to you this evening individuals, practices and brands from all over the world that have demonstrated excellence in the field of aesthetics. Now, how's everyone feeling tonight back home?
I hope we are all excited.
Well, we're in Las Vegas and it's pretty cold. Now, being in a desert, I thought it was going to be a lot warmer.
I thought it was going to be hot.
I know, so we're gonna try and bring it to you this evening with all the passion and drive we've got. So, My Face, My Body has become the most widely recognized global aesthetic awards over the last 9 years. My Face, My Body Awards is the most highly published event by consumer and industry press. And with over 10,000 mentions in the press, winners have benefited hugely in their local areas. Back with the big event, which is the Global Awards winners, and we're also going to be talking and announcing our Hall of Fame winners. So we'll be right back.
See the award for Medical Aesthetic Practitioner of the Year.
Okay, Shirley, please announce the winner.
The winner of the 2019 Global Medical Aesthetic Practitioner of the Year award goes to Dr. Patrick Treacy.